Do you want to find deleted photos on Instagram? You can view all recently deleted Instagram pictures with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to find deleted photos on Instagram. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips video. Finding deleted photos on Instagram is the process of locating and accessing pictures that have been removed from your Instagram account. Instagram allows you to view all posts, including photos and videos, that have been deleted within the last 30 days. To find recently deleted photos on Instagram, first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you are on Instagram, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your Instagram profile. On your Insta profile, look for the menu icon, which consists of 3 horizontal lines located at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to access the menu options. Scroll down through the menu options until you find Your Activity. Tap on it to proceed. Scroll through the screen until you find the Recently Deleted option. Tap on it to view recently deleted posts and pictures. Once you're in the Recently Deleted screen, you'll see any images that have been deleted within the last 30 days. Scroll through the list to find the photos you're looking for. Tap on the deleted picture you want to recover. Instagram will show you options to either restore the post to your profile or permanently delete it. By following these simple steps, you can view all deleted photos from your Instagram account in the last 30 days. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips.